Are you worried about your child's future in a world of automation, robotics, and AI? Recent research estimates that about 25% of American jobs will be eliminated due to automation. That's 36 million people that will lose their job by 2030, and those jobs will be gone forever. Traditional entry-level jobs within food service, retail, office support, transportation, and manufacturing are the most vulnerable to layoffs. And emerging fields such as data science, renewable energy, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity are now gaining prominence. While your children are likely to have a job that doesn't exist yet, every child needs an education that goes beyond standard curricula to thrive in the future. And Invictus is deliberately focused on equipping your child with the skills they will need to thrive. At Invictus, we are focused on the whole child and academics, working with our families to preserve your child's innocence, while fostering critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. Invictus Leadership Academy offers a private school experience for free, with small classes and caring teachers, personalized learning and collaboration, in a fun and bully-free environment that lets kids be kids. Invictus also provides students with hands-on learning through real-world projects and current event discussions.
Don't let your child get left behind while the rest of the world prepares for the future. Choose Invictus Leadership Academy, a free school that will not only prepare your child like a private school, but will also educate your baby like the precious gift that they are. Enroll your child today at www.invictusla.com or by calling us at 323-615-424.